Did you just rebuild your Porsche engine, or replace any fuel or ignition components or even sensors? You might have heard you need to perform a vehicle handover, and you do. But here's what you need to know. A true vehicle handover to reset all adaptations and calibrations across control modules can typically only be done using a Porsche factory PIWIS diagnostic tool. If you don't have access to a Porsche PIWIS, you can still do a manual ECU hard reset to clear fuel trims and learn behavior. Here's how. Disconnect both the positive and negative battery terminals. Use a 12-volt incandescent test light. Do not use LED or fluorescent light. Connect the incandescent light between the two battery cables, not to the battery posts. This process discharges any residual voltage from the system safely. Leave it connected for 10 minutes. Do not worry if the light bulb doesn't light up. It is still working. Reconnect the battery. Turn the key to ignition on, but do not start the engine. Let the systems fully cycle, then start the car and drive so the ECU can relearn. Important notes. This process will clear any check engine lights, but it will also reset all OBD2 readiness monitors. Bottom line, this is a safe way to clear out old adaptive data when you don't have access to a Porsche PIWIS diagnostic tool, but it's not a full vehicle handover. It is a basic hard reset that gives the ECU a clean slate, but you'll need to drive and monitor the readiness flags before emissions testing.
Call or visit ellenengineering.com to learn more.